In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Windows 11 keyboard. If you want to type in a different language on your Windows 11 computer, the good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to look. Changing your keyboard language can help if you write in multiple languages, use a different keyboard layout, or just need special characters and symbols that are easier to access in another language setting. To get started, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into Settings and saves a little time compared to opening it manually through the Start menu. Once Settings is open, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Time and Language. This section is where Windows keeps most of the options related to language preferences, typing, speech, and regional settings. If you don't immediately see it, just scroll slightly in the left panel until it appears. After that, select Language and Region. This is the area where you can manage the display language and the languages available for typing. You'll see the languages that are already added to your system, and this is where Windows lets you control how those languages work with your keyboard. Now click the language you want to use and make sure its keyboard layout is installed. This part is important because simply adding a language does not always mean the correct keyboard layout is active. When you select the language, check for the available keyboard options associated with it. If the layout you need is already installed, then you're all set. If not, you'll need to make sure that layout is included so you can type properly in that language. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct version of the keyboard layout, especially if the language has multiple regional variations. For example, some languages can have different keyboard formats, depending on the country or typing standard, so choosing the right one will make your typing experience much smoother. And that's it. Once the language and its keyboard layout are in place, you'll be ready to use that keyboard on Windows 11. This is a useful setting to know whether you switch languages often or just need a different layout from time to time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you.